How to solve Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue. All you guys need to do actually is just end the program itself. So just go ahead over to your application manager and remove the app and then just relaunch it again. Or also you can delete your Telegram app from Play Store or App Store, whatever phone device you have. I'm pretty sure that will solve your problem because it happened with me before. That's exactly what I've done. But if the problem is still in, all you guys need to do next is you can restart your device. So you go ahead and restart your phone guys, and then you should be able to use your Telegram once again without any problems like that. So guys, that is how easy to solve your Telegram issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.